Watching. So tonight we're going to be asking ChatGPT for more information. So chat OpenAI. I am a human, maybe, perhaps someday. Okay. What I'm going to try to do, it's been a really long time since I've done anything in React. So we're going to try to create something from scratch. So please make a Next.js application that uses Tailwind TypeScript and is the context API popular state management? Are we still using context? What the F is recoil? Jotai? Okay, Redux is old. Rematch. What is rematch? We'll just use the context API. So basically I'm going to see if these instructions are the same as what is in the next documentation now. Sure, here are the steps to create a Next application that uses Tailwind CSS, TypeScript, and the context API. First, you'll need to install Next.js, which is a framework for building server-rendered React applications. To do this, open a terminal and run the following command. Yes. So while it is downloading things, next I will need to install Tailwind CSS. Yes. Yes. Now, I don't think I've ever used a Next.js application. CD Twitch clone. Is that how this works? Oh, it's not going to do the annoying pop-up thing? That's good. And we have a application. Okay, so I'm gonna file add folder to workspace. Code, we have React and TwitchCone. Clone, okay. So we have index, and we have head I don't want to learn. Let's just find the docs. So we've done this. Oh, I guess we could have done dash dash TypeScript. Okay, so we have pages and we have public. Do we normally put so pages per layout. So I'm assuming you have components. We have dynamic routes, right? Yeah, no, I'm good. Okay. I wonder if I can just okay, so I have done just switch to the thing. So we are on the second step. Amy, stick with instructions. We are installing Tailwind CSS. No need to check to see if there's actually like a React Tailwind that would do things for me. We're actually just gonna copy this though and touch that and open that, and then we will copy that, put it over here. So is there a and then we copy this stuff. And you're absolutely sure with this that there's no... Okay. So we have file name styles, CSS inside of the styles directory, add this code, TypeScript configuration file. We're going to copy the name of this and do touch by an angel. Okay. Cool, so this already existed. I'm going to do one of these things, put it over to the side. So target. I'm just going to assume that, like, this is right. This came from the thing. Yeah, we'll not do any of that and then wonder why nothing is working later. So we need to do npm install this stuff. This is a lot of moving parts. Okay. Okay. Use the above structure of the application above to create an React Twitch clone that is done in Tailwind. Uses the context and you know what? Create a pages directory in the root named index.txx. Okay. Well. I'm not happy. Okay. Create a React component that is a carousel. For videos and has a dynamic amount of videos that are all the same size. Okay, so this has import React, use state from React. We have type video and the type carousel props, which is an array of video. We are using React functional component and giving it carousel props. And it takes videos. So we are going to components. We're going to touch and call it video carousel.tsx, I'm assuming. It's like use image from how do you use image from next image? Okay, so I'm assuming we can import it here and then just use it. Maybe? And then pages, we have an index TSX. A page that uses the Okay. Code to use Axios to fetch a list of videos from the endpoint API. So import React, use effect use state, import next page from next, carousel from carousel, Axios from Axios, type the video, use effect Axios get, then set videos, response.data, catch error, copy this code, index here, okay, so there is no API get videos data. So in the error, we will just use the there's no VF. Please change the above code to only show the carol if there are videos present. Sure, we can do that. Please learn how to code, though, in the future. I hate that it does that. That's definitely much easier to see than I thought that was just like a hack that my coworker did. He was just like, let's have the thing on the left. That way we could do this. It's definitely way more readable than having a BF. Okay, well, first of all, that component wouldn't have been found because we did not call it component. We call it video carousel. Axios wouldn't have been found. PMI. Because it's not installed. But other than that, well, it's a good thing I didn't save any of this. Missing required width property. Is it required? Oh. Oh, is, okay. So I've done a little bit of the Patrick Collins thing. I'd be very disappointed with myself if it takes me literally all week to get through the lottery thing. Very, very disappointed in myself. But I did get it to compile. Why is... videos. At least I don't know what terminal URL means, but whatever, we're fine. It's good. That's probably good for tonight. We created a next application. We have a component called video carousel, and we're able to traverse backwards and forwards through it. It did not make a perfect Twitch clone though, but I think I will just do what I did before and make a very descriptive there's probably like a V4 option that we could do with the image thing of for loop. Of course, we're using the next image and not video. Whatever, it's fine. Chat API, Open API is doing an okay job with this, I think. Not sure. I am going to use it though if I wind up doing the hackathon, because I just hate looking at React. At this point, I don't know it. So, there's that. I do prefer using Vue, obviously. But hey, I'm trying to get off the phone or the Switch stream. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching if you've been watching. And I'm going to go work on Bandbook's art stuff for a little bit. I wanted to do those 3 things today. And then I'm staring off into the mess that is my house. And I started soaking the hydroponic system in my tub today. Supposed to do that for about 8 hours in hydrogen peroxide. So later tonight I will be starting to clean those out. I doubt that I will finish actually cleaning that today, but yeah, I mean that's the goal, is to actually clean my house over this week as well. I actually rate cleaning my house higher than doing any programming, because you know what they say, like, a clean house, a clear mind. But, you know, sure, I guess. Anyway, I will talk to you later, and, yeah, probably tomorrow we'll start off with Solidity, then some OpenAI BS-ery, and then, some Bandbook's art stuff, so...